Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, this is artist Rabia and welcome back to dunia.rang.rangeli. We are with part 2 of how to level up with the levels and the curves and make your photo look even more better. Guys, you can see here you have ability of adding many points in your curves option. Like this, I can add the multiple points right here. And I can lower or increase the contrast of my photo very easily and very precisely. You can reset from here. Guys, you can see here if I go into my levels, if I double click here, output and input levels right here. I can take my light levels and drag them to the right. You can see this. It is making the picture a brighter, and I can do with these dark levels and drag them right here. This will darken the photo. Right here you have these features right here. On these levels we have eyedropper, black point. You can see this eyedropper, black point, gray point and the white point. With the help of this black point, you can see if I click on any of the area of black, you can see it will make the contrast somehow black. If I click here, it will make the picture more black like this. I'm pressing Ctrl Z. Now if I go on the gray area, if I click on this shirt, you can see it will control the contrast of my photo. Like this, if I go with this white part, white point, it will do somehow more better with your image. Now you can see from here you have some of the problem. You can adjust them according to your need. Guys, I have one different option right here. I have ability to create the points. You can see if I click here and I can create the different points and I can level up like this onto my photo. Guys, now I'm resetting this. If you want a fun looking curve, you can click here on this pencil and you can draw the curve according to your need. Like this, I'm drawing any of the curve and you can adjust like this. If you want somehow more brighter or darker, you can adjust it according to your needs, according to your, in a very supreme way. Same like this, I have this curve option right here. Same like this you can do with the levels. You can see the levels option I have same here, black, gray and white droppers. You can play with them and edit your pictures in a very fun way. You can also affect the colors into your photo. For example, if I switch to my curves, I'm resetting this. You can see here RGB. If I click here on the red option, you can see if here the red option, if I increase the contrast, you can see it is adding the colors, adding the red colors. If I decrease, it will remove the red colors from my photo. Now this is a bit more somehow become more bright. If I click here and press Ctrl I to invert the mask, you can see now I select the gradient tool. I can very easily add the gradients. I will select this radial gradient from here and let's make a gradient. Like this, you can see it has added some of the red and some of the white from visible to invisible. Same like this, you can go and play with your green and blue parts and the yellow parts. This is green. I can edit this same color and you can see it will affect my overall image. And I have the blue option here. I can even play with the blue part. Even it is super cool and super fun. You can see. Guys, I'm going with the green color. You can see guys, like this you can adjust your photo according to your need and according to your taste. Guys, same like this you can do with the levels. You can change the color of your levels. You have these colors right here, red, blue and green. if I hide this layer, you can see this was my previous image and this is my current image. You can see this, guys. I hope you'll have learned a lot from today's video. This is all for today. This is artist Rabia signing off.